me and the family picnic. Then fortunately did the yoga challenge. That's gonna be out before this, I believe. Wolf was still when we did it. But we got our man out there. He loving it. He never seen it before. He on the dance floor. But yeah, y'all, we got music playing, so I'm not gonna vlog too much, but I am cooking. Actually, Fortune was off today, so he made a pot roast. Yes, baby. You want me to come back in there? Rocco, you get down. Get down. But yeah, Fortune put the roast in the crock pot today. I had started cutting vegetables and then I just didn't have time. So he ended up seasoning and like doing all the stuff to it and putting it in the crock pot. So hopefully it's good. So this is definitely a first. But I just made some green beans, some rice, and some jiffy cornbread to go with it. I made this since it's Monday. This ain't Sunday, so we ain't having the full Sunday dinner, but this will work. So yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and fix our plates, and I'll be back to talk to y'all later. Yeah, this little roast look good in the crock pot. It's been cooking for a long time. This is a Boston bun, so it's very fatty. I should have got a different kind, but actually, this was the only roast they had out of beef and pork. So yeah, it's fatty, but I'm gonna try to get it to the meaty part. All right, you guys, it looks good. It looks good, babe. Your roast.
See what that thing taste like.
I know. Let's see what it tastes like. You put a lot of salt on here?
I mean, I did what you told me to do.
I didn't tell you to put no lot of salt on.
If it's not perfect, it's your fault.
Boy. So let's see what it tastes like.
Trying to get your first impression on her. She trying to play daddy. She trying to play daddy.
I feel like I might need some hot sauce. Just because I wanted some hot sauce, I think.
Trying to see my shit ain't got no flavor? I put hot sauce in there.
Okay.
That shit tastes perfect. Don't be trying to play me. That shit was perfection.
You been tasting it?
Who's she talking to?
Or you was cooking it?
I don't do stuff like that. No, you really know what's going on. You ain't got to none of that.
I'm so much hot sauce.
My bad.
Just to give it some, you know.
That's alright. Just say you ain't got no flavor, bro.
It got flavor.
Bro, it's okay, bro. I ain't even taking that shit personal, because I know you have.
You always eat roast. You always have some on your roast.
That could just don't have no flavor. You don't see me trying to tell you.
Oh, you for real? Mine ain't got no flavor.
Hey, well, that Kool-Aid daddy made fire.
That didn't make no flavor.
You said what, babe?
You didn't make that Kool-Aid.
I put it in this cup. I made it.
It's good, not bad.
Negative nasty over here.
No, because some of my roast be dry. I mean, be
Yes, that's exactly what I said.
For real.
What you gonna do about it, bro?
For real. He ain't even that hurt. Really, he could eat this like this. That thing was good in that refrigerator. And the what's in the freezer.
Yeah.
And cornbread. I got rolls, cornbread, potatoes, carrots, and Kool-Aid.
2 hands.
It's
Good
water
job.
down with a lot of water, y'all.
And no, it's not. Drinking this shit straight.
Yeah.
Straight night.
Shit, it boy.
Now watch him throw Sam cup.
Even that.
Daddy got the real one. Mama Kool-Aid don't taste like they do it.
Yeah, I know I made
You know what's going on.
I keep the Kool-Aid. It's the little
She
blue.
doesn't keep the Kool-Aid, everybody. She's lying.
Okay, yeah, we haven't had Kool-Aid in a minute. But
Okay, thank you.
Good job. Good job, baby. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get ready for dinner. Peace. What's up, gang? Happy Tuesday. What you you talking about, Puda? What's up, gang? Happy Tuesday. Your girl is, well, I already got started on dinner. I am making some shrimp fried rice. Well, I'm gonna actually put steak in it, so it's gonna be like shrimp and steak fried rice tonight. So y'all know when you make fried rice, your rice needs to be cold. It's usually, well, I usually use day-old rice. I usually cook my rice a day in advance. I didn't know I wanted to cook this until I got on YouTube today at work and saw this picture of this shrimp fried rice. Somebody had made a video about some shrimp fried rice and it looked so damn good. I was like, oh shit, your girl wants shrimp fried rice tonight. So, I had to go to the grocery store when I got, after I picked up Wells, to grab a few things that I didn't have. I had looked at the recipe that the lady did because, you know, I know how to make shrimp fried rice. I know how to make, you know, fried rice, how I make it. But this lady was like, I don't know if she was Asian or what. Or, you know, I don't know what she was. But her shit gotta be legit, right? She had the bean sprouts in there. I was like, oh, I love when I go to places and they got the bean sprouts in the fried rice. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna have to do her recipe. So I am trying her recipe today. So I had to go get some green onion. I had to go get some garlic. She used fresh garlic, but I always let fresh garlic go bad because I only use it for usually that one recipe and it comes with like a whole bunch of cloves. I use minced garlic all the time, so I'll just, you know, drain it the best I can. And really, I don't think it mattered that much, but I got some minced garlic because I'm running low on mine. I got, she used some ginger paste. So I got some minced ginger and it's like in the paste form. And then I had to go get the bean sprouts. So, yeah. I got this. And I already had all the other stuff. Oh, I need to make sure I have sesame oil. But yeah, her recipe looked pretty good. She only did shrimp fried rice, but I'm doing, like I said, shrimp and steak. She did not add any, she didn't add any egg in hers. And I love my fried rice with some eggs. So I'm adding egg in mine. I think that's going to be the only difference for the most part. Yeah, I think that's going to be the only difference. But yes, you guys, that is what I have going on. I thought baby was going to take a nap because he went to sleep in the car on our way back home. But when we went upstairs, and then when I got home, I laid him down on the couch while I started the rice. And he was asleep. And when we got upstairs, I tried to feed him, put him back to sleep. He popped right on up and gave him a burst of energy. So, yeah, he's up, which is fine. Means he will go to sleep at a good time tonight, which is what I'm happier about. I'm looking for my, oh, damn, I got my sesame oil. I know that sesame oil give it that real, like, fried rice taste. Like, that's what get that thing going. Anyways, I had cooked my rice. I cooked 2 cups of rice. I usually, when I make, you know, just regular rice to go with a meal, I only do like, you know, the normal 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. But I use 4 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. So I have a lot of rice here. I don't even know how I made this much. I thought, I don't know. Because I was like, the amount of rice I make when I make, you know, for the go with food, I don't think it'll be enough to like be a whole serving of like a plate of rice. But now that I'm looking at this 2 cups of rice, right, this is a lot of rice. And I don't even need leftovers. We got lunch all week at work. So, like I said, I usually use day-old rice. But since I don't have day-old rice, I'm letting this rice cool. I got that from her. I really didn't know. I was going to just put it in the freezer. But she said on her recipe that if you got to cook your rice the day of, then you let it cool off. So I'm letting it cool and then you put it in the freezer for like 20-30 minutes. So that is what's going on now. I hope this cool real quick so I'm ready to put it in the freezer so I can get started cooking all my food. So yeah, that is what's going on. I'm doing that. Wells is in my dishwasher per usual. This is my shrimp. I just got some easy peel. These are like, they're supposed to be large, I think, but they look kind of medium to me. And These are some stuff I had left over from before. And then this is, I'm using New York strips steak. And then I got my butter sitting out to soften. She did not use this, but I always use garlic butter in my rice. So I'm going to make my homemade garlic butter because I didn't go to Publix to go get garlic butter. So I'm just going to let this melt or get soft and, you know, mix it with garlic. And that'll be your garlic butter. So, yeah. Yeah. I want to check in with y'all and let y'all know. I guess I'm going to do a cooking with me. Even though I'm using somebody else's recipe. I really don't like doing, I don't want to do no, you know, cook video for somebody else's recipe. But I am going to switch it up a little bit. So I guess I can show y'all. And I don't remember her name. I'm sure I can go find it. But, you know, it'll be my addition. Okay? Okay.
They really love you.
Oh.
You got this made, nephew.
So, y'all, Nika just got over here. Nika and Brian just got over here. And it was a package at our door. And I was like, where is this package? And it had my name on it, and I didn't know what the heck it was. I forgot my SSC sister, Meg.
Take your ass. I ain't see that picture in a while. Take your ass.
Let me see all your pictures. That is so cute. Thank you, Meg. I hope you're watching this. This is so nice.
She got that nappy head little baby. Okay.
This is so nice.
Oh, look at
like
nephew.
Brian over here opening the rest of your gift.
What nephew at?
Dang, Brian, you couldn't even keep the box cute. Oh, Brian. You like it? Let's see what this is. Be careful with Lucky's glass.
Hello. He got his mama phone, I think.
Let me see. Glass. Gotta be careful.
Be careful.
Well, bring me your little blankie.
I'm trying to help y'all out, but she's trying to record and open.
Let me see. Move, I want to see.
She definitely thinks like you, because y'all definitely do stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, I got all the Marshall family.
That is cute.
And it got all our little pictures. It's getting cold, but I guess it's been outside and it's cold outside.
Nephew, give my phone.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, man. This is so nice. And there's one more thing. What's that little flat one? Thank you so much, man. I love it.
You put some thought into this.
Oh, y'all, look.
It's like a few of them because it's kind of thick.
This is
Or maybe
so
not.
nice.
No, that's the puzzle.
Oh,
It's too cute. The Marshall.
I think it's supposed to say joy.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, I love
You gotta
it.
put it on like your coffee table, like in the living room.
These are coffee table.
I mean, I'm saying. You better put that thing right there. Put it
Oh, Meg, thank you so much, girl. We love you. I can't wait to show Fortune. Everything is so nice. Well, I need you to get your blanket off the floor, though. Goodness gracious.
You made my cousin-in-law head a little bigger, though.
His head that big. That's how big his head is. Yeah, same big head.
I throw your blanket on the floor, second, but
This is so nice. Thank you so much, Meg. Yes, baby. It's TT. Wow, look at my baby when he was so little. This was his first day out. It was first day out right here. This is us for Thanksgiving last year, this past Thanksgiving. This was him, his first Halloween. We was at Bryce, or Kendrick. We was at Bryce game on this picture. He looked like a big boy that day. He was so little. Got his name, Wealth Nasir. My baby, this was the day he got circumcised. I remember I posted this picture. I said he had a rough day, but at least he was cute. Are you talking shit? Look at him and his dad. Cause I gotta let it cool. Then I gotta put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes. It's gonna be a minute. Got my baby and my babies right here, Rocco and Will. Me and my baby. I love this picture of him. I love this picture too. This was the picture we used for his first birthday, like all his invitation, all his Wolf Street stuff. My poor. Thank you so much, Meg, again. I love it. The puzzle, the blanket, and the mug. This is all so nice. What you drinking? Kool-Aid. It's Kool-Aid.
You hear him though?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, oh, you slip that thing, slapping that thing up. Yep. That's nice, ain't it?
There go.
Fortune.
And there go you.
Yeah. He do be drinking Kool-Aid. I water it down though. Alright, y'all. Alright, you guys. So my rice is in the freezer now. I got my shrimp here. This is about 16 shrimp. I'm trying to see if I need to use more. I think that's good though for just me and Fortune and Wealthy Pooh. And I'm doing steak as well, so that's why I think that'll be good. I'm gonna just go ahead and season it since I'm not like doing like, you know, no sauteed shrimp or nothing. I'm just gonna season it with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So a little salt. I actually never season shrimp with salt, but pepper. And garlic powder. Alright. So I told you I'm following the lady's recipe. So the other thing she put in there in her shrimp was the garlic, the ginger, and some of the onion, the green onion. Get like a scoop. I'm just getting off top because they don't have no juice on the top part. So, a spoonful. I get 2 of these. Rocco, what you whining for? Got that. Open up my ginger paste. And I'm just gonna get, she didn't use much of this. I'm not using any medical pencil. I do like this much. And then I'm just going to add, I already have my, oh, that garlic is, that ginger is really strong. I already got my stuff chopped up here. So I'm just gonna add some of that to it. I'm going to also be using some more of that later, so I'm not going to use all of it now. Alright. So I'm going to give that a mix. Smells really good though. And ginger. That's making me feel like I'm at the damn hibachi right now. And ginger though. I don't know if I ever cooked with like ginger like that. I know I used ground ginger before, but I don't know if I ever used like ginger like that. That's giving me like I am at Benihana right now. Mama. Yeah, I pulled them. Mama. 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 Alright, so that is all seasoned up. I'm gonna pop that in the refrigerator and get started on my steak first. Alright, so I told y'all that I am using New York strips for this. So I'll cook it up first and then get it cut up. Turn my eye on. Why are you making all that noise, baby? So, like that right here.
Dada. Dada.
Hold up. Yeah, he makes so much noise. I'll rinse my steaks off and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my steaks just here on this plate. I'm going to just season this lightly also with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm not going to use my you know, my steak seasonings and everything. And I'm also going to put Worcestershire sauce on it because I always do that. You know, that's my thing. And that garlic, I got my garlic powder out. I'm going to go ahead and make my garlic butter too. So my butter has been sitting for a while. It's pretty softened. So I'm going to put that in a bowl. I'm not going to do this, but I don't know why you got it. Yeah, I'm not going to use this whole thing. I ain't finna just waste my butter. I'm just going to use half a stick. Garlic in there. We'll use this thing here and mash it up to make garlic butter. It's too soft. I'm gonna have to use mine. This is from what maybe from my skillet is ready for my steaks. A little Worcestershire sauce on there. A little olive oil in the pan. Drop them bad boys in. This is a lot more harder. So I can actually mix my butter. It didn't get as soft as I wanted. I don't know how. I had it out for like 2 hours. But it's still mixing up. I'm just gonna mix your garlic butter and your garlic powder and your butter. And I'm gonna use this for my rice. I'm actually gonna drop a little bit on my steak now. Alright, y'all, so I just removed my steaks from the pan. We like our steak medium well, so this is like perfect for us. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the pan now so I can do my shrimp mix. Alright, so my pan is getting hot. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Let that get it all in there and get hot. Marinated shrimp in the pan. Let me get all this goodness out of here. Hold up. Oh, y'all, the ginger and the shrimp smell so freaking good. Probably should have cooked the steak with some ginger. So I'm going to let that cook for a minute before I start adding everything else. While the shrimp are cooking, I am cutting up my steak, so I'm just cutting it down long ways first. I can't do it while I'm holding y'all, but I'm cutting it this way first, and then I'm going to cut it this way after. So down the middle, and then to the side. And then it'll be in like nice size pieces like this. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and add the bean sprouts. And let that cook with the shrimp for a minute.
I'm not taking our trash bag. Your daddy back the battery. Thank you.
Alright, so this is what my rice looks like. It's hard. It looks like day-old rice. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my shrimp and bean sprouts. Alright, y'all, I added some of the rice. I still have this much rice, but I don't think I'm going to use that. So this is plenty for me and portion. I said I don't need leftovers, so I need leftovers if I was cooking for making for people. I probably would use all that rice, but this is plenty. So it was hard, so I'm trying to break up some of the pieces. So I'm letting that.
You don't make volcanoes?
I mean, we can't use volcano.
You can?
No. This ain't the real hibachi now, babe. Yeah, I'm here talking junk.
Real.
Say hey.
If I was the one making it.
Say hey.
Hey.
Look at them. Say hey.
Hey.
What?
What now?
So yeah, this is cooking. I'm about to get ready to add my soy sauce mixture. So I'm going to use soy sauce and chicken broth. That's what the lady used. I'm also about to go ahead and fry my egg up too, so I can add that in. So like I said, these are my added steps. I am going to go ahead now. It's been cooking for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and now add my steak to it. Let's go ahead and add the steak. Oh, let me just pick it up, y'all. I ain't got time to waste none of this steak right here. Waiting. Add the steak in. I taste it, and it's really good. It cooked to perfection. So that's why I didn't want to put it in too soon while the skillet was like, you know, while it would hit the bottom of the skillet, because I didn't want it to overcook. So now that my steak is in, I am going to go ahead and add my garlic butter that I made here. Add some of it in there, mix it in. This is the rest. And remember, I used half a stick of butter. I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. And then I'm going to mix in my soy sauce and chicken broth. I probably use like, if I had to measure, I didn't really do any measurements on my mixture. She had exact measurements. But I probably used maybe almost 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I know she used a dark soy sauce, so I'm thinking I'm probably guessing that's richer, and I think she used 2 tablespoons in there, so I used a little more. And then I just really definitely eyeballed the chicken broth. This is what it looks like here. But there's just a little soy sauce, and then most of this is chicken broth. She says it gives it more flavor, and I just used my collagen chicken broth. So I added the rest of my green onion that I cut up, and then add in my, yeah. No, Wolf definitely ate his pancake.
Did he make it a breakfast this morning?
Yeah, well, not really, but she had him a plate fixed. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up now. Yum Yum sauce. He is so funny. How much did I pay for Yum Yum sauce? That is so funny. They was not playing at all.
Put your hat back on.
Dada.
See you later.
Dada.
Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and poured out my griddle because I don't feel like this is being like able to cook all the way. Like I don't feel like everything has been touching the bottom of the skillet. I want to put it over here so I can feel like I'm more of a hibachi, but everything is really done. I'm about to go ahead and add the sesame oil so I can mix it in good in here. But yeah, I just want everything to make sure it's actually frying. So this is my sesame oil. And I'm gonna mix that in. Yeah, they give it that real like flavor for real. Try to get the sesame oil if you can. So y'all, I put some, all I can put on the griddle either. So I left some in the pan, and I got some on the griddle. So I'm working double shift right now.
Hold on, son. We got to focus.
Making sure I ain't trying to have it sticking too much. Going over there.
You know, we got in here just steak and shrimp. Ain't no chicken tonight, man. You know, we trying to take it easy. Just know this shit is dangerous in here. You seen her just get popped again.
Hey!
Oh, what the fuck?
Good. I think the only thing that I would do differently is still use day-old rice. Like, I don't think the whole freezer effect did exactly what I needed it to do. Like, I mean, it's hard, but then, like, in some places, it wasn't as hard. So, yeah. And I know, like, so the rice is not, like, as tough as I wanted it. I mean, it still has a good flavor. And some pieces are better. Like I said, day-old rice is already hard. Like I said, this is like hard in some places, but like some places it's not that hard. It's still like kind of wet. So yeah, that would be the one thing I would change with the recipe. I haven't tasted it yet, but it looks really good. W girl ain't go light with the steak or the shrimp. This is my plate. I still have a good bit left in the pan. And then it's this portion plate, and I got a little bit on Welf's tray. This is pretty much, I pretty much got it all off of here, and I left some of it in the pan. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get to eating the base plate. Right here. So it looks really good. And of course, he got his yum yum sauce. When he got 3 things of yum yum sauce. So that should be plenty. But yes, you guys, shrimp fried. Well, shrimp and steak hibachi. Like I said, still use their own rice. What you gonna do? Make cookies?
You ain't want none. You good? You full, baby?
Yeah, I am full. How was the meal?
Yeah, no shit I would have made, but
Right.
it was good.
Was it good?
Delicious.
It was delicious.
It was everything.
You eat your food? What are you trying to do? Your cup is, Daddy took your cup.
You don't know how to act. That's why you lost your cup, man.
You need more water? You need water? Yes? Yes, y'all. I should have cut the fat off the steak. But it didn't look that fatty in the, before I cooked it. But yeah, I should have cut that off. But besides that, y'all see. And baby did the same thing to his plate. What you looking at, little boy? What you? Let me get you some water, little boy. She was so funny.
Working on my feet too, bro. You got some heavy ass feet. Put both your arms out there, start looking slow. Go. Yeah. Face it. You cheating now. Put your foot back on my foot. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me.